Hello there! Today, our friends are having a party at Rory's house.
Party is always so much fun.
Yes, Bunny. And I love dancing at the parties.
But where is Chimpu? He must be on his way.
Hello, Chimpu.
Where have you been? You are late for the party. Hello, everybody. I'm so sorry for coming in late. Oh, Chimpu, here is your cone-shaped cap. Wear it and enjoy the party. Why did you say it is a cone-shaped cap? Look, Chimpu, this is a cone. It has a circular-shaped bottom and has a pointed tip at the top.
Are there any other objects which are cone-shaped?
Sure there are, Bunny. Let us look for the objects which are cone-shaped. Look, ice cream cones. They are cone-shaped.
And look, cream cones. They also have cone shape. Yes, and that is why they are called as cones. Okay, I understand now. A cone is circular shaped at the bottom and has a pointed tip at the top. That's correct, Chimpu.
Hey, have you all forgotten that we are having a party?
Yes, Chirpy. And hey, Chimpu, wear your party cap now. Come on.
Our friends are having lots of fun at the party. Today they learned a new shape, cone, which is round at the bottom and is pointed at the top. Now, let us bid them goodbye. Bye-bye, friends.